Hello all, good morning again to my channel on Excel. As promised, yesterday I had put up a database function, sum, decount, average, and all sorts of the database functions today. And I promised that I'd come up with the Dproduct function, which uh, I'm going to show today. Okay, so the function is Dproduct. Dproduct. Okay, so this is the Dproduct function. Now, as usual, I already have a database here. Okay, it's showing the products, okay, which are the desktop keyboards, laptop mouse, okay, and laptop, desktop, keyboard, mouse. Okay, what else? I probably missed a few. Companies are, again, there are 4 companies: Acer, Dell, HP, and Lenovo, and the quantities they have sold here. Okay, okay. So Dell has sold laptop 38 laptops. Dell has sold 34 desktop, 39 keyboards, and mouses. Let's say 13 mouses. Okay. Similarly, with HP has sold 15 laptops, 41 desktop, keyboard, mouse, and the breakup goes on, so and so. So what we did here is we just go ahead and found out the total quantity sold here by a particular product. I am putting this by a particular company or by either the product or the company. Okay, so for this we will use the simple dsum function, as I had explained in my previous video. So we'll choose the database here. It is asking for the field, which should be the quantity, and it is asking for the criteria, so we'll give product and company. So as we can see here, 466 units have been sold by Dell, HP, Lenovo, and Acer. Okay, so here is the total. Here you can see 466 is the total quantity of all these products which have been sold by these 4 companies. If we bifurcate it further by, let's say, laptop, so we see there are a total of 93 laptops which has been sold. Let us just go ahead and check it out here. So if we come here, okay, it's coming to 93. Okay, so this part of the function is correct. Now what is this Dproduct function? Okay, Dproduct function. I'll remove the laptop from here and go here. So I'll just put in the formula here, Dproduct. It is asking for the same database again. Okay, the database chosen. Then it is asking for the field. We'll choose the quantity field here, and if the criteria would, I'll keep it the same, product, company, and the 2 cells below this. We'll choose this 4 cells, and we get an odd scientific number. Now what is this signifying? This signifies the product of each and every component of this item. For example, it's showing us actually this into this into my bad this into 25 into 46 into 25, and so on and so forth. Okay, so just for an example, this is the product of all the SR companies. Okay, so if I just put in the product company name as SR, CER, see, I'm getting the result as 948750. The same is showing here, 948750. Now if we remove this, we'll again go back to that odd scientific number. Let's see how many laptops have been sold. So if you go to laptop here, you see total quantity of laptops that have been sold is 93. Okay, and the product is coming to 213750. So we'll just go ahead and choose laptop here. You see, this is what the laptop is showing, like how many laptops have been sold here. It's this into this into this to this. Okay, 213750. Okay, so 213750 laptops have been sold. Okay, now if we remove the laptop and we go to the company, let's say HP. Now total quantity of items sold by HP is 107. We can verify that from here. Sorry, HP, you see here the total is 107, and the product Dproduct is 365310. Now how do we arrive at that? Okay, HP. So what we'll do is we will choose here HP, and we will multiply this 4 cells. So this is on D6. Okay, so let me just keep it highlighted so that, see, so if we put in the company name here and the quantity or the product Dproduct comes to 365310. That is exactly what we are getting here. This is the product, this is the multiplication of each quantity sold by the company HP. Let me explain again once more how we are arriving at these results. This is actually 15 into 41 into 33 into 18. It's a manual process, and this function seems to be somewhat redundant and we would not require it, but as promised, as I'd promised, I'd come up with this Dproduct database function. I'm just building this for you all. If you like this video, please go ahead and click on the like icon and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you again for watching this video, and hope this would be very helpful for you. Have a great day. Thank you.